Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another advent calendar unboxing of 2018. It is Vlogmas 2018. I still can't believe that it is Vlogmas, never mind that we're getting to like the final, well, we're definitely in the final half of Vlogmas. So, oh, don't mind my hair. Like, I tried to pull these wispy bits out to make it, because I've got my hair in a bun, and I thought I'll just pull some bits down, but now it just looks really messy and horrible. The plan didn't work, you guys, but never mind, it's fine. So I'm gonna go straight into this unboxing, although I've already rambled on a bit, so I'm not going straight into it. But let's have a look in the Airwick calendar and see which candle we are going to be getting today. Where are the scissors? So number, what are we on? 18? 17? What day are we on? Have I even said what day we're on? I'm pretty sure it's 17. Let me just have a look, because this calendar will tell all. Number 17, yes. I knew we'd done 16, but I just couldn't remember whether we'd done 17 or not. It gets difficult when it gets to this stage in Vlogmas, you guys, it really does. So I found number 17, and it's another Winter Wonderland one. It's just the white one. Very jolly good. Let's move into the Soap and Glory one. What are we gonna get today? Soap and Glory. 17. Oh, found number 17. I know what it is. You guys probably know from my reaction what this is gonna be. But it's just another wee little sample. And this one is Rich and Famous Shower and Body Wash. So is Rich and Famous the name of the body wash? I do wish that I could smell them so that I can tell you at least whether I like the smell, but obviously there's just no way I can just open all of these as I get them. Do you know what I'm saying, you guys? So you guys understand that though, right? It's 8 ml, and yeah, we've got just another little sample there. Let's go into the Sleek one. And Sleek number 17. This looks like it might be a lipstick. I have found that like the Sleep and the Soap and Glory calendars definitely give away, yeah, they totally give away like what's inside by the shape. Whereas like, obviously these other ones that are like boxes, you don't know what's going to come inside. You have no idea what's going to come inside. Some of them are like thinner and you might know it might be an eyeliner, but yeah. With this one, it's quite obvious what's in each one. And this is the Matte Me lipstick in the shade, ooh, Velvet Slipper. I'm actually really liking the look of this shade, you guys. I want to put it on, but I can't because I've got bright red lipstick on, but we could have a tiny, oh, oh my god, I really, really, really like this shade. Yay, look at that. Oh, but that is so nice. It actually looks really, really smooth as well. Like, it doesn't look, oh, I love the look of that. That looks so nice. Right, anyway. So Matte Me Ultra Smooth Lip Cream. I don't know if they all say that on them. I'm guessing they do. And this is Velvet Slipper. So if anybody likes the look of this shade, I'm telling you that I really do. Velvet Slipper. Go get it out. Go check it out. I love it. Right, okay, let's go on to the advent calendar that I made myself. Number 17. Oh, I found number 17. It's just in the corner. Where's this one? Oh, I'm excited. So this is another one of the Real Techniques brushes. Oh, shall we just take a little moment to just appreciate how beautiful this brush is? It's beautiful. I love the look of this. I really am excited to get into like, I feel like I've not gotten out of makeup, but my face is really itchy, you guys. Makeup makes my face itch. I don't know if it's the brushes that I use to apply them or the actual makeup, but yeah, after I've done my makeup, my face is always really itchy. Anyway, little story for you guys there. I just love this lip. I'm just keeping an eye on it because it is actually drying down. It has like nearly dried down, so I am going to actually rub it in a bit and see if it comes off. I am really interested in that because in my head I think it'll just be like the NYX matte creams And they're just like a lipstick, like they're not matte liquid. It'll be interesting to see if these are, because I haven't tried any of them yet. So yeah, I'm really wanting to get into doing my makeup more regularly, looking after myself more, taking like pride in my appearance more, and just not being a slob and looking horrible all the time. And on that note, cheers my dears, love you guys. So, got myself some new makeup brushes and I'm very excited about it. So, let's move on. What's next? Glossy box. No, we haven't done L. Let's do the L one. I'm getting confused because I'm mixing it up a little bit with which ones we're going into, but L, number 17. Where's there it is. We definitely need the scissors for this calendar. This calendar is a nightmare to open. Anyone else who's got this calendar will know exactly what. Do you know what? I'm just going to go like this. I'm so naughty. I'm so naughty. Naughty, naughty Sammy. What is this? Dr. Dennis Gross. Not heard of this, but I'm seeing the C plus collagen. We're liking the sound of that. We are getting old, you guys. Brighten and Firm Vitamin C Serum. I'm not going to just like test it because as you can see it's not a massive bottle. We've got 7 ml and I don't want to waste it. Like I want to make sure whatever I get out of this goes on the fuzz, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to see what it smells like, but I'm not gonna do that. I think it's just gonna pump its way up, isn't it? But yeah, I'm interested to see how this works. Dr. Dennis Gross. I feel like I haven't heard of that before, but you guys might have. I don't know. Let's move on to the Glossy Box calendar. And we are looking for number 17, which is right here. It's in quite a big box, but it is quite light. Oh my god, I'm excited. Oh my god, I'm really excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. If you guys know which brush I use to apply my highlight, I can't get to it right now because it's behind all the cameras. But it might have oh my god. It's even called the Tapered Highlighter. 1,000,000% this is my new highlight brush. I love my Spectrum brush, but oh my god, look at this. Look at this. It's even the fact that it's even called Tapered Highlighter, like, nah, sorry mate. Sorry mate, gonna be doing a bit of highlighting with this I think. Too right. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is a Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighter. It feels very, very smooth and soft. I feel like I haven't heard of this brand before, Luxie. I don't feel like I've heard of the brand before, or at least like as a makeup brand, or I don't know, but it's really, really cute. It's just like a lilac purple with a rose gold like a bit here, which you guys know I'm all about that rose gold. This is one of the most exciting things. I'm like a proper sucker for brushes. Even like with my nails, acrylic brushes, I'm just like, yes. I just really like pretty brushes and stuff. I'm such a loser right now. Anyway, I'm really, really happy about that, and I will definitely be using that for highlight from now on. Like, I'm not even joking. I cannot wait. Right, let's move on to the Body Shop calendar 246. Yeah, let's move on to the Body Shop calendar. I was hoping I wasn't going to have to open this one, but I am. Because it's right over here. Gosh darn it. Let's see what we've got in the Body Shop calendar. Ooh, what is it? Oh, it's a hand cream. Which, you know, I've got a lot of hand creams. Is it sealed? No. Oh. So, it's a rose hand cream and it's like a big size. Do you know what I think? You get the minis. We've already got a mini hand cream, haven't we? I'm sure we have. I'm sure we've already got a mini hand cream because they do come in this like the same kind of packaging but just smaller. But I feel like for a hand cream, they're big enough. Especially if it was, you wanted to shove it in your bag or whatever. But look how big this is. This is a massive hand cream, you guys. I feel like this is big enough that it could be a body lotion. But it is the British Rose Petal Soft hand cream. So, I'm very excited with it. With essence of hand-picked roses from Britain. Wow. That is like awesome. I love that. So we've got a hand cream, you guys. I'm not the biggest fan of hand creams. I don't use them enough. I know that I should, especially with me being a nail tech and that now. Ooh, this has like gone down. This has like it's matte, you guys. Like, it is actually like a liquid lip. I'm kind of shocked, like... It's not coming off at all. Oh my god, that makes it even more exciting. I'm really pleased with today's little bundle, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Even though we got like just a little sample in the Sleek one, the Soap and Glory one, I'm just really excited. Right, anyways, let's move on to the final one, which is Look Fantastic. What do we have here? Oh, it's a Cordelay something or other. This is always in different like languages and stuff. I guess it's French, duh. Radiance Serum. I'm not sure if I do have this. I have a few of these Cordelay samples. It's basically just a little sample, but yeah. Not much to say about that, but yeah, I'm so excited about today's products. Yay! So that is it for everything on day 17 of Vlogmas and the unboxing of the advent calendars. I hope you guys are enjoying this series so far. I hope you're having an amazing December and you're enjoying Vlogmas, and I'll see you in the next video.